let him whoop him. Why you won't do that?
They ain't running me. If they ain't let they in the shootout. If they just straight drugs, they're 20. They're 20, they won't run.
I'm gonna tell you,
That race ain't gonna happen.
I'm tell you why how Blackjack won.
Yeah.
And I bet it with OG Larry.
He treat him.
But, hey man, they made OG Larry take that trans brake off. That's what fucked.
Okay.
Yeah. Anytime your car leave it good with that trans brake.
Yeah, you gotta leave it going.
Off,
yeah, you don't even know what it's gonna do.
Man, you don't know what he gonna do. That man blow the tire.
Say, man, it's between the seats. Somebody else driving now. He dead.
I bet Batman.
Somebody else
I bet Batman don't turn that goddamn trans brake off.
What?
Batman ain't gonna turn that trans brake off.
And
he gonna get everything. Watch what happens.
Okay, they got a new driver.
Yeah, they got a new driver.
Shit. He gonna treat Batman so cold. He gonna say he set it up too. That's what he gonna be saying.
Hey,
He gonna be claiming he set the motherfucker.
Yeah, they locked.
Yeah, man, yeah. You ain't driving no more. Batman the driver. Ain't he worried about
that? Hey, not gonna fucking race unless it's in the shootout. If they just straight road, he ain't gonna get his ass up there.
in. First round, Blackjack and OG Larry. 2,500.
We got
2,500 on the shootout.
Oh.
That's the only way.
2,500.
Blackjack don't want to just straight run. He want to get in the shootout or something. He don't want to straight run.
He's grudging him.
He leaving the first round of the shootout.
Yeah, he finna go.
Try to find me a tuner.
Yeah.
I ain't bull.
Hey, y'all, we need a tuner, y'all. In Dallas. The dude who tuned Flying Low Truck, they be running game.
Like, I bet he got a throttle body. And
Yeah.
that truck too. And look how he running. Just running harder than my shit. My shit ain't even running hard.
And you know what they'll say? It's because of the weight of the truck, dude.
But that's cool. These trucks heavy as man.
Yeah.
These new motherfuckers ain't light.
Wait a minute, what do you got? What do you think this bitch doing, though? Hey, we got Gavin in the building. All right.
Birthday today.
Hey, it's his birthday, y'all. Happy birthday to him. Happy birthday to Gavin. Happy birthday to Gavin, y'all. Happy birthday to him. Hey. Already, man. How old are you now? 9. He is 9, y'all. 50 to 20. 50 to 20. 50 to 20.
Who you gonna get, Joe?
Look out. Which one? The Caprice? Yeah, I heard it's something different. It's something different. Wait until you hear it. I ain't did nothing. Everything the same. Oh, okay, it didn't sound like that. Okay. They listening, y'all. They been watching, they seen me at the muffler shop. I'm gonna have them electric running. Look out, look out. Okay. We got 2 Trans Ams finna race. I guess I'll show y'all that again. I was about to change. Make sure y'all updated. make it a I'm gonna make it a post later. Town don't even know what a copyright is. I'm about to turn TikTok on, y'all. No, I don't think I'm racing tonight. White car for the win, y'all. Right lane. Make sure all my people that's watching on YouTube, make sure y'all like the stream. Hit that like button. Hey, look at y'all on my channel, right? Y'all to put y'all shout out in. Okay, shout out.
Shout out to Lookout, man.
What about y'all? What about? Okay.
Tell them what you want on Instagram.
Yeah, tell them what you want on Instagram, man.
Follow me on Instagram, Lando. I got a 10-speed F-150.
Okay.
5-0.
Shout out to all my people watching on TikTok. Ain't nobody where all the comments at?